All right, ladies and gentlemen, Anna Lou and I were on the road, and we decided let's stop off and visit our good friend Val.
Hey. Welcome.
Thank you.
So nice to have you over.
We stopped by Val's house because you let us know that you actually have a little bit of a camping recipe, don't you?
When I was little, I was a campfire girl. Whoa, hilo. That's right. And we used to make these little hamburger packets, or I think some people call them goulash.
Today we're using ground beef, baby red potatoes, onions, carrots and celery, and some seasonings.
Begin with ground beef on some foil. Then we add some carrots and onions. Then it's time for the celery and baby reds. After adding some salt and pepper.
And it looks like you got some garlic powder, so that's kind of nice.
Once it's seasoned comes the fun part.
Oh, so here we go. I'm gonna wrap this up.
Just make a little packet.
Nice.
There you go.
All right, we're gonna take these and go throw them on the grill.
All right.
Here we go.
In a minute.
And then after 20 minutes on the grill.
All right, look at that.
Ooh. Smells kind of good, huh?
That's
Nice job, Phil.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's take a bite. Let's see what we got here. It's simple. Keep it simple. It's tasty. It's delicious. It's a great hearty meal when you're out there camping. And next time, Val, we'll pull you from home and we'll get you out on the trail with us.
I'm looking forward to it.
All right, let's do it. Cheers, guys.
All right, cheers.
All right. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.